This is a LED line light out of a C2 conventional school bus. We take it out of the bus. It splits apart. But we have available for anybody who owns a C2 to replace the LED bulbs. They're threaded. So you just replace the burnt out bulbs. They're under $7 each. That's in Canadian dollars. And it's pretty slick. A new light's around 200, I believe. It could vary. But yeah, there you go. So we can just replace the bulb instead of the complete light, save a few bucks. And we're allowed 30% burnout on them because they illuminate so well. This is the part number, TBBWTE 0E30226212. N.A. Thomas dealer, Freightliner dealer, can pick those up. They're probably going to be in Memphis, right, Corey?
Yeah.
But they save a few bucks, and definitely a great idea.